Are you looking for new ways to make money online? We'll introduce you to the world of ChatGPT, a powerful language processing technology that can help you turn your skills into profits. ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home. Are you ready to discover the power of ChatGPT and start making money online? 1. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text and content, which can be sold to websites, blogs, or social media platforms. This can be a great source of passive income. ChatGPT is able to produce high-quality material, which may help you save time and effort while still bringing in a consistent revenue. 2. Translation services. Even if you're not fluent in multiple languages, you can still offer your services as a translator using ChatGPT. It can help you automate many of the tasks involved in translation. With its ability to quickly translate large amounts of text, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for translation services. 3. E-commerce. ChatGPT can be used to automate and manage e-commerce stores, freeing up time and resources for businesses. The flexibility of ChatGPT to handle several e-commerce sites will help you enhance your earning potential while also offering businesses a useful service. 4. Virtual assistants. If you have strong writing and communication skills, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant, helping businesses or individuals with their daily tasks. This can include tasks such as email management, social media management, and research. With ChatGPT, you can automate many of these tasks, freeing up time for you to focus on other tasks and increase your earning potential. 5. Chatbot development. With ChatGPT, you can develop and sell chatbots to businesses or individuals. Chatbots can be used for customer service, sales, and marketing purposes. The demand for chatbots is increasing, making it a great opportunity for individuals to monetize their skills and knowledge. With ChatGPT, you can create high-quality chatbots quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for chatbot development. 6. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to provide customer support to businesses, freeing up their time and resources. ChatGPT may be a helpful tool for customer service because of its capacity to quickly address client queries and offer high-quality support. 7. Data collection. ChatGPT can be used to collect and process data, which can be sold to companies for market research and analysis. ChatGPT can automate the data collection process, saving you time and effort while also providing you with a steady stream of income. With its ability to collect and process large amounts of data, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for data collection. 8. Social media management. ChatGPT can be used to manage and automate social media accounts for businesses, freeing up their time for other tasks. ChatGPT offers companies a useful service while also allowing you to improve your income potential thanks to its capacity to handle various social media profiles. 9. Lead generation. Businesses can utilize ChatGPT to gather potential customers who are interested in their products or services, resulting in growth of their customer base and increase in sales. By using ChatGPT, businesses can benefit from its ability to efficiently and effectively identify and reach out to potential customers, helping them grow their business. 10. Newsletters. ChatGPT can be used to create and manage newsletters for businesses, helping them keep in touch with their customers and keep them up to date on their products and services. With its ability to create high-quality newsletters quickly and efficiently, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for newsletter management. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information on how to make money with ChatGPT. With its advanced capabilities, you can automate tedious tasks, improve your efficiency, and generate income with ease. So, take advantage of this powerful technology and start making money online today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.